Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Bluebird Anne and wow, I've actually filmed a vlog. Well, not quite sure how it came out because I was sort of like, I didn't get my camera out enough, so I've already filmed the first day and not even the whole of the first day. But basically I went on the CUSU Shadowing Scheme literally yesterday, but when this is uploading it would be 2 days ago. It was the 23rd to the 25th of January and it was good. I really enjoyed it. I was shadowing a philosophy student, but I also attended a law lecture on the second day. I looked around a lot of colleges and I had a really good time. So yeah, I filmed sort of the first day and then I lost my voice, but it's coming back now. I don't think it's really bothering me right now. It was bothering me this morning, but fingers crossed, hopefully it's gone away. I've also got a few more videos in the works, so we're all good. I'm going to start loading again. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you want to see anything else. I'm not sure if I'll vlog anything else ever again because I don't know how it really came out, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed making it. That's what people say usually. Yeah, enjoy. The other side of the college, Morals Field, is one of the newest accommodations. So this is Break Gate, and stole the sceptre that was in his hand and replaced it with a cello.
That student was me.
You
can't deny it. But rumour has it that then, more recently, some other students decided to attempt to modernise this. They climbed up again and replaced the chair leg with a bike pump. But the college was less pleased with that, so they replaced it with the chair leg. Yeah. I don't.
Say hi to
Hi! Like and subscribe, guys. Are you going to actually post it?
Yeah, sure, if you want me to.
Subscribe to my channel. We're YouTube twins.
What's your YouTube channel?
I need to think of a name. Really helpful. Also from other colleges as well. If you end up kind of going around Cambridge tomorrow and you just are looking around at other colleges and you don't know how to get back, get a taxi for you or something, or make sure you're supposedly the largest enclosed course in Europe. And the golden rule is please keep off the grass. I think once a year we have a race.
Chapel?
It varies quite a lot. Like I'm not religious. I don't really go into chapel very often at all. Apart from fire alarms, because it's where everyone assembles. If there's a fire alarm, that is relevant to you.
Worm on a string. Should I get the worm out?
Get the worm out. This is the famous worm, the haunted worm of Trinity Hall.
So Trinity College is like haunted by the worm, and it just appears at midnight every night. It like appears at your face in your bed.
Lay eggs on your face.
Do worms lay eggs? I don't know.
Comment down below.
Yeah, comment down below if worms lay eggs. Worm on a plate. Worm in a cup. Oh no, oh wait, that's Pace's face.